So in this example, we have this directory, new directory, and we check the permission right of this new directory. The user 1 is the user for this directory. User 2 is a group user, and other users, they have the same permission right. And now if we add something to this new directory, at the moment it's nothing. So I want to, let me move files, all these files to this new directory 1. What's the right I'm doing? If it is conducted, if it works. I'm moving some files to a folder. And what is this right, access right for this folder? Can any of you give me an answer or a guess? Yes, you have this rights for this folder, exactly. So if we do it here as a user 2, copy, paste. So now you see as user 2 cannot move these files to this folder. And if we do the same thing with user 1, then you see here, these files disappear. Where are they? Well, we can use user 2 to check. It is least to read the folder. So with user 2, I can use this, which outputs all the files in this folder. So that is a read-write for the folder. And what about this X-write? And what is useful is X-write. If I remove here, I change the groups mode, this access mode, as only X. So it means I change the group mode and remove the read-write to the new directory 1. In this case, if I do the same option, okay, I cannot read it. So I cannot list the files in this folder. And then what is X permission used for? Is X permission? Well, in fact, although you cannot read it, you cannot edit it, but you can do some operation on this folder. Mostly you can find some file in this folder or search the file on this folder, or you can guess. What do I mean by that? So if I do new directory, if I press file1.txt and I cut. So I have a question. And I will answer that very soon, Tobias. Here, I want to show the executive permission to a folder. So you have seen that I have, as a group user, user2 has only this executive permission for this drive. It means that I cannot read the content of the folder. I cannot add or delete anything in this folder. I try to move the folder 2 to this director 2 to director 1. I cannot do it. But if I, by some chance, get to know the file name of this file, this folder, let's say I know it's file1.txt is this file, then I can use new directory 1, oops, new directory 1, and the file 1. If you try to use a tab to autocomplete the file name, it will not work. But if you know the exact name, and if I try to read the content of this file, it works. So in fact, this executive permission to folder, it allows user to find or or to search or to read specific files within this folder, as long as the name is correct. That's about the 3 permission rights to a folder, to a directory.